Hello, I'm Dr. Tim Jennings with your Mental Health Minute. In our busy society, it's all too easy to grab meals at the nearest fast food restaurant. But if you're feeling tired, run down, exhausted, and depressed, consider changing what you eat. Recent research of almost 9,000 adults has documented that those who ate fast food, junk food such as hamburgers, hot dogs, pizza, croissants, donuts, and muffins, had a 40% higher rate of depression than those who did not. Any amount of junk food increased the rate of depression, but there was a linear dose-dependent curve, meaning the more junk food eaten, the higher the rate of depression. Junk food is highly inflammatory food, high in oxidative saturated fats and devoid of micronutrients. Brain-healthy foods include fruits, whole nuts, omega-3 fatty acids, fish oils, and green leafy vegetables. To be smart requires a healthy brain, so be smart, chunk the junk.
To learn more about mental health, visit comeandreason.com.